This incredibly well-maintained home in the desirable Brookside Place subdivision boasts so many new updates, such as the new HVAC, 2020, new water heater, 2019, and recently replaced roof, 2018. Don't miss the new light fixtures, new faucets and other plumbing fixtures, double closets in the first bedroom to match the double vanity in the adjacent bath, plus a pergola over the back deck that overlooks the fenced backyard. Please note, while the seller will provide a fridge, the current one does not stay.